Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to view health records from your hospital on your iPhone. This feature is currently available for organizations in the US, UK, and Canada. Let's open Health application on your device and let's tap your profile icon in the top right, and now under the features you want to tap Health Records. So you want to tap Get Started or Add Account button, and let's search for hospitals, networks, or locations. So simply tap on your hospital and let's press Connect Account button. You will see a secure window on your screen where you want to sign in with your email address or username and also your password. And then you'll have to follow the prompts to authorize Apple Health to access your records. So simply follow the on-screen instructions. And once connected, your data will be sorted into readable categories that will appear under the section with health records. So you can find it if you go to Browse tab in the bottom right. Now let's scroll to very down, and here you will see categories like lab results, immunizations, conditions, and some others. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.